Graphical representation of a linear, quadratic and cubic polynomials. The graph of a linear polynomial ax plus b is a straight line. This is the graph of a linear polynomial ax plus b, straight line. How to find zeros from this graph of ax plus b? So the zeros of a polynomial ax plus b is the x coordinate of the point where the graph of y equal to ax plus b intersects the x-axis. So this is the graph straight line. This straight line intersects the x-axis at this point. So this is the 0 of the x coordinate is the 0 of the polynomial ax plus b. Next, the graph of quadratic polynomial ax square plus bx plus c is a parabola. So this is the graph of open upwards parabola, open downwards. So this is one parabola. This is the graph of quadratic polynomial. So how to find zeros from this graph? So the zeros of ax square plus bx plus c where the parabola intersects the x-axis. Here parabola intersect x-axis at 2 points. So the quadratic polynomial has 2 zeros. Here is also intersect 2 points. Case 1. In this graph, parabola intersect the x-axis exactly 1 point. Here is also 1 point. So means the graph touches x-axis exactly 1 point. Means the 2 points coincide points. It has 2 coincide points like repeated zeros. Means 0, 0, 1, 1 like that. Case 2. In this case, parabola is not touches x-axis. Here is also. So in this case, we said that the quadratic polynomial ax square plus bx plus c has no zeros. No zeros. The graph of a cubic polynomial ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d is like this. In this graph, figure is the graph touches x-axis exactly 3 points 1, 2, 3. So these 3 are zeros of the given polynomial. So the zeros of the cubic polynomial, the graph intersects the x-axis where the graph intersect the x-axis. So graph intersect 3 points at the x-axis. So these 3 are zeros of the cubic polynomial. The graph of y equal to x cube, that is cubic polynomial, is like this. Graph of y equal to x cube intersect x-axis only 1 point. So therefore the polynomial has only one distinct point, that is 0. So repeated zeros 0, 0, 0. Only one distinct point, that is 0. So zeros of y equal to x cube are 0, 0, 0. Next, y equal to x cube minus x square graph is like this. So this graph is intersect x-axis at 2 points 0, 0 and 1, 0. Intersect at the 2 points. So these two are distinct points. Two distinct zeros. Y equal to x cube minus x square has two distinct zeros. Mean one more zero is repeated as 0 or 1. So here x cube minus x square zeros are 0, 1 and another 0 is 0. So 0, 0, these two are repeated and one more is 1. So two distinct zeros 0, 1. This is the graphical representation of polynomials.